Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play games in 1xBet. Now, once you log into your 1xBet account here at the top menu, you'll see 1x Games. You'll see different games right here. You can click here on Show All. You'll see all the list of games available. And then all you need to do is just go ahead and hover over a game. Of course, there's slots as well. I'll hover over Crash and then I'll click on Play. And all you need to do here is just go ahead and put your bet amount. Let's do 500. Okay, right here you can type that one in, or you can choose from any of these predetermined options. So we have placed 500. Click here on place a bet. Right now I don't have funds, but all you need to do is click on place a bet, and what will happen is you place your stake, and if you manage to press take winnings before the crash, then your stake will be multiplied by the stated odds. So these people, as you can see, they had taken their winnings before the crash, and they made their spread. Whatever odds they had stopped at, that's the spread they made. As you can see, this person already decided to withdraw. That is how to go about this game. There's multiple games as well. You can go ahead and learn how to do that just by clicking on that icon. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.